A China-aided wind farm has brought clean power to Dar, central South Africa for years. Led by China's Longyuan Power Group and its South African partners, 163 wind turbines have been installed, converting wind energy into power. The installed capacity of the project is 244.5 megawatts, which can stably supply clean power of about 760 gigawatt-hour annually, equivalent to saving more than 200,000 tons of standard coal, reducing carbon dioxide emissions of 700,000 tons.
The condition on site is very good. I'm very proud to work with a company that is basically in the direction of renewable energy. I do see there is a need for it, as pollution in the world is bad, and we need to improve on methods of electricity generation. It is a good thing.
The project went into operation in 2017 and was the first of its kind to be invested, constructed and operated by a Chinese enterprise in Africa.